So last week we took some time to reflect on this year, but this week we are in the present. So what can we reset in our current situation to kind of help us mentally prepare and prepare our surroundings for next year? I would say spring cleaning, but it's December. So this is the week of creating that transition of saying goodbye to the old so that we can make more space for the new. And I'm gonna give you some ideas of how to do that and let you know what I did. We finally are having a cool day in Florida, so I'm very much enjoying my sweats today. But today I'm going to be kind of taking stock of everything, starting with my clothes.
Butterfly, yeah, like that. Sleep all day, just a cat nap. Buttercup and a Hershey. Camel-like, always thirsty. Will I ever grow to the guy that I think of? I'ma get this slow as the sky that I dream of. Gotta do, don't say. I'ma get it in when I start today. Yeah. William Foe, would you like that? I'll be gold, I'll be right back. Yeah. Daddy soul wants a flight back. But a price be the ice pack. Will I ever grow to the guy that I think?
That took me like 10 minutes and now I'm getting rid of a ton of stuff. Now another thing that I've always loved to do is go through and clean out my email and also clean up my desktop, which both get pretty awful. Like right now I have 310 unread emails. I'm gonna fix that.
Be too much, can't stop it. Still rockin' ships, yeah, fossils and bones. More focus on them hips and my lungs. Thinking 2 stories got a place.
That's what I like to see. Now I'm gonna go through and do the same thing for my desktop because it's bad.
But I say I get a good feeling when I start thinking that way. Yeah, no need to fuck my evening. Stress on some bullshit they say. Butterfly, yeah, like that.
And just like that, we're done. It only took me less than 30 minutes to go through my clothes, figure out which ones I wanted to donate, unsubscribe from a bunch of email lists, clean up my desktop, clear up my emails of the unread emails, and go through all social media to make sure that the people I'm following are people I actually want to follow. 30 minutes. I could also maybe like go through all the apps in my phone and like delete some. There's so many things I could do. I have so much more time. I have to say, I feel so much better now that everything feels cleared out. It's like all of those little things that you just like keep putting off for a really long time and then finally you just kind of like break and you need to do it. And then once you actually do it, it feels magical. Let me know in the comments, do you like doing a similar thing at the end of the year, or is there a certain time of year that you tend to do your like spring cleaning or whatever? I will see you next week. We will be talking about how to set goals for the upcoming year. If you like this video, please feel free to hit the like button and subscribe if you enjoy my content. And I already said it, but I'll say it again. I'll see you next week.